Welcome to this quick tutorial on generating stunning Ghibli-style images using Grok 3. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Grok 3. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Grok 3. Click on the first link to access the platform. Step 2. Sign in. Now, sign up or sign in to your account to continue. Step 3. Upload an image. Once logged in, upload the image you want to transform into a Ghibli-style masterpiece. Step 4. Add a prompt. Next, enter a detailed prompt describing how you want the image to be converted into a Ghibli-style artwork. Step 5. Generate image. Click the Generate button and let Grok 3 work its magic. In just a few moments, your Ghibli-style image will be ready. Outro. That's it. You've successfully transformed your image into a beautiful Ghibli-style artwork using AI. Thanks for watching.